first for today's video, first that I just can't spend that kind of money on like, what do you call this? On lashes. Lashes, is that a thing? What is that? So in this video, so my products, why is it so bad for me to do an intro? It's always so bad. Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we're gonna be talking about my product empties. It's been like 2 years since I filmed a product empties video because it's kind of taken me this long to, you know, kind of stash away my little products right here. I have a bunch of makeup, some skincare, some things that I will not be repurchasing, some things that I will be repurchasing or that I've already purchased. So if you're curious to know what my product empties are, keep on watching. Firstly, if you haven't subscribed yet, take one quick moment to do so. If you do like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let's just jump into the video. I have a bunch of stuff here in this bag. This is basically the bag that I store everything in, like all my junk. Whenever I have any makeup products or skincare products, I don't throw them out like the actual bottle. I want to like hoard things for you guys to see so you guys can see the stuff that I like. Okay, so for the first product is my every single day Holy Grail foaming cleanser. This is my makeup removing cleanser, my nighttime cleanser. I've been using this nonstop for about 8-9 years. When there's a product that works for my skin, I stick to that product. Always gonna keep going back to this because it just feels right on my skin. It doesn't break me out. It's very, very gentle. It's soap free, it's alcohol free, oil free, hypoallergenic, and I don't know, I've been using this for many years and I'll keep using this. Another product that is an empty product is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This product is obviously, as you can see, it's completely empty. I will not be repurchasing this. I just feel that this could not take off my makeup. I tried it on and I felt like I had to use so much of it to remove off my makeup. I don't know if that happens to you guys with cleansing balms, I don't know. But the guy at Sephora was like, this is the best thing ever. Like, oh my God, you only use a little bit. When I was like removing off my makeup, it just wouldn't remove it very well. Oh, and by the way, I tried the Belief one and it's the same exact thing as this. It feels oily because it is a cleansing balm. I need my stuff to strip my skin in a healthy, nice way. So this is why I use this. I need something to really remove my makeup and it's also a cleanser. This is the one that I always use. Can't go wrong with that. Another product that is my Holy Grail nighttime moisturizer that I keep repurchasing over and over again is the Belief True Cream, the Aqua Balm. This is my every single day nighttime moisturizer. I've repurchased this for like 4 or 5 years now. It just does really good for my skin. It feels like you're adding this beautiful hydration of water to your skin. It feels nice. It does not break me out. The only thing I hate about this is the price of this. It's so freaking, it's like $40 for this. And since I use it every day, it'll last me like a month. I'm gonna hold off on repurchasing the Belief one and I'm gonna try the Neutrogena one. Let's see if that does well because girl, $40. This is random. This is the MAC brush cleaner. What I usually do with this, I keep the bottle because back to MAC, they have like the whole free lipstick stuff. So it's like you give them back 6 products and you get a free lipstick or a free eyeshadow. I haven't gone back to MAC in a long time. I have a few things of theirs that are like almost empty, but I don't want to get rid of them. Let me just give you an example. One of them, like this is so embarrassing. This is the, what is this one? Why am I smelling it? The Warm Soul, MAC Warm Soul. So like, you know, maybe I'll scrape it off. Maybe I'll just toss it because this is expired. What I do with this is that I take out the cleanser and I put it in a spray bottle and I keep this so I can take it back. But my spray is literally empty, like completely. So it isn't empty. Another product that is an empty is this Biosand 100% Squalene Oil. This is a face, body, and hair oil. After I wash my hair, and I usually use it on the tips. It's not like greasy on my hair, and I really, really like that. I've used this also for my face when I'm doing my nighttime routine, and I don't know yet if I want to repurchase because I have a few more oils, so I don't know. I don't hate it. I'm confusing myself. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this oil. I don't know if I'm gonna be repurchasing it, but it's nice. I don't know. So this is the Briojio Farewell Frizz. It's a milk leave-in conditioning spray. I really freaking adore Briojio. Oh, it smells like a high-end, amazing, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells like a spa, like the Lowe's Hotel. I love Briojio so much, but it's just like, they're so expensive. Like who wants to spend $30 on a conditioner? Come on, who can? Can you? I don't know because I'm really sticking to my hair care products. The Not Your Mother's hair care, the really natural, good kind of hair care. Not that this is not bad, but I'm sticking to that because I'm trying to see how far along, like how my hair grows and how healthy it'll be. So I'm not gonna be repurchasing that, but I really like it. It smells really nice. and it really softens your hair. Really, really good. My setting spray that I completely ran out of is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This has lasted me at least a year and a half. I mean, obviously I'm not using it every single day. I will be repurchasing this. I'm just waiting for it to go on sale. You know, Morphe has those sales all the time. I'm waiting. I know the Jeffree Star one was on sale, but that thing smelled like Candyland on me. And I gave it to my best friend because I'm just like, I can't smell like this. Like, it's just like, it smells like a cotton candy festivity. And I didn't like the scent of that one on my face. But this one I really, really love. Why would I do that? Why would I do it? It dropped like some droplets on my face. Anyways, I love the setting mist on this. I love how good it makes your skin feel. It makes your skin feel like it's locked into place. For sure, guys, this is like probably my favorite setting spray ever. But I have another one that's like reaching to that favorite point. The ColourPop one, the Pretty Fresh one, I love that one, but I love the mister in this one. So I will be repurchasing that one. The foundation that I am gonna be repurchasing, that I will always repurchase because every time I try it on, it's like a miracle. This is the best drugstore foundation. Please prove me wrong. Otherwise, try it out if you haven't tried it out yet. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear Foundation. It is completely empty, and I just haven't gone around to going to the store yet because I have so many other foundations that I'm waiting to empty out. But guys, I tried this a few days ago, and it was like the last few squirts of this, and oh my gosh, it smells so nice, and it just goes so beautiful on the skin. It makes my skin look gorgeous. It's like a medium buildable foundation and has a slight hint of like dewiness to it, but it like mattifies perfectly. Like I love this foundation so much. Another foundation that is an empty that I will not be repurchasing is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This one is old as hell. This is when I first started my YouTube channel. I tried it out a few times. It freaking broke me out so many times, and I would try it over and over again. It looks nice on the skin, but it just breaks me out, and it's too full coverage for me. And I don't know, I don't like the smell of it. It's really, really odd. Yeah, it wasn't good for my face. I used it up, but I will not be repurchasing that one. Mascara time. So these are all of my used up mascaras. This one's the Lancome Definils Mascara. This really, really does a good job of lengthening your lashes, but making them look very natural. The wand really gets into all of those lashes and it just lengthens them, and it doesn't do any clumpiness whatsoever. This is like the anti-clumping of mascaras. I only got this because it was on a sale. I will not be repurchasing this because this is originally like $30. It's a beautiful mascara, but I have been enjoying the Big Monsieur mascara. When that one's empty, I probably will be repurchasing that one because I am obsessed with that one. Obsessed. This one, not so obsessed. So this one is the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. This one I've used it up throughout the summertime. It doesn't do so much of lengthening them, but it does like, it flicks them upwards. It's really, really natural. With these kind of like the cheaper drugstore, you really got to get in there and like try to extend your lashes. So I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this one, but I may be repurchasing this one. This is the Bambi Eye Mascara. This one at first, it was like those mascaras that you kind of use a couple of times and then you just like dump and you don't use anymore until you run out of the good ones, and then you're like, oh dang, I gotta use this one now. The L'Oreal Bambi Mascara. If I had to choose between these two, I would go with this one because this one, it takes like a few coats, but it does a miraculous job of lifting your lashes. This will not clump your lashes at all. And honestly, I'm gonna be repurchasing this one because I really love the wand. It has like these tiny little like fibers, and it really gets into all of those lashes, which is why it doesn't clump up your lashes at all. This clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I will not be repurchasing this. Who uses brow gel? I don't use brow gel. Like I never find myself using it. I'm like, oh, what am I going on? I'm not a big fan. I don't use brow gel. Does anyone use, like, come on, who does that? For brows, I ran out of this one, the Anastasia Brow Definer. This is my favorite ever brow definer, but I don't think I'm gonna be repurchasing this unless it's on sale, because the one that I've really been enjoying that I'm almost out of is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist one. So it's like literally the same thing. The only difference between this one, the cheaper one, and this one is that it's slightly a little bit thicker. You may not like it, but it does your brows really, really good. If you could just get over the fact that it's thicker, it does your brows really quickly. It does the same thing as this. Honestly, it's the same exact thing. Waiting for this to run out, and then I'll see if there's a sale for the Anastasia Anastasia, I'll get this one, why not? Another product that I ran out of that I just can't seem to let it go, it's this little eyeliner. This is the Maybelline On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil. I kept on sharpening it and it's just like, it's so tiny and it's literally gone. So I'm kind of done with this. I found a few other really good ones at the drugstore. There's the e.l.f. one. There's also the Wet n Wild one. There's a few other ones, so they don't... My dog, she's just... Sit. I'm not gonna be repurchasing that one because they don't sell this one anymore. It's been like 3 years. Ozzy, you wanna get out of here? Okay, so this tiny little lipstick from Bite Beauty. It's in the color Chai. I ran out of this and I don't know, I don't love the formula of this. I feel like it's too creamy. I prefer a matte liquid lipstick than like a regular lipstick. I'm like more into those. But I really like the color of it. It's not a bad color. But I just feel like I have so many lipsticks that have the same tone of color. It's like a rosy, dark mauve color. I know these run for like high-end prices and I'm not about that. I have a few sponges that you can't consider they're product empties, but they're like used up. So that's kind of considerable. This sponge here, this one is from Essence. I don't like this sponge at all. Even the shape of it, look how weird it is. Like, when you wet it, it turns into a ginormous ball, like it's huge. It's too dense. It's not squishy enough, so it's like you're hitting yourself with it. It's a no-go for me. Another sponge that was like so old. I've had this freaking sponge here from Real Techniques for like 3 years now. Girl, why are you still with this sponge that's so used? God knows how much germs are in here. This sponge is ready to be tossed out. I'm not gonna be repurchasing it because I found a way better drugstore dupe than this one. This one is the Eco Tools blending sponge. It's very nice and squishy. It reminds me so much of the Beauty Blender. I prefer this one over this one anytime. Okay, and the last sponge that I have that I've used up and I'm not gonna be repurchasing is this one from e.l.f. I just do not like the texture of this. Like, you see all the pores in it. It's like rough, like a rough sponge. I don't like this sponge at all. Another item that I have run out of that I will be repurchasing is the NYX Hydratouch Hydration Base. It does kind of slightly mattify your face while keeping it hydrating. I liked how it made my makeup look, so I really been enjoying this. And I will be buying this again for sure. All right, guys, that completes my product empties video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget, please give the video a like, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.